and breeding of animals, plants and fungi for food, fiber, biofuel, medicinal plants, and other products used to sustain and enhance human life. Agriculture was the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated species created food surpluses that nurtured the development of civilization. The history of agriculture dates back thousands of years, and its development has been driven and defined by greatly different climates, cultures, and technologies. The two main types of subsistence agriculture are 1. Primitive subsistence agriculture. 2. Intensive subsistence agriculture. 1. Primitive subsistence agriculture. Primitive subsistence agriculture is self-sufficiency farming in which the farmer focuses on growing enough food to feed themselves and their families. The output is mostly for local requirements with little or no surplus for trade. Location. This form of agriculture is widely practiced by many tribes of the tropics, especially in Africa, in tropical South and Central America, and in Southeast Asia. It is better known as shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is practiced in the tropics by many different people and thus has many different names. For example, Mila in Central America and parts of Africa, Konoko in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masol in Zaire, Ladang in Malaysia, Huma in Indonesia, Kengin in the Philippines, Togia in Burma, Tamrai in Thailand, Bewar or Poda in India, and Chena in Sri Lanka. Characteristics. Primitive subsistence agriculture or shifting cultivation is characterized by the following features. 1. Hill slopes are preferred because of better drainage. 2. The forests are usually cleared by fire and the ashes add to the fertility of the soil. Trees that are not burnt are left to decay naturally. Shifting cultivation is thus also called slash and burn agriculture. 3. The cultivated patches are usually very small, about 0.5 to 1 hectare, 1 to 3 acres, scattered in their distribution and separated from one another by dense forests or bush. 4. Cultivation is done with very primitive tools such as sticks and hoes, without the aid of machines or even drought animals. 5. The main crops are starchy foods, for example, tapioca, cassava or manioc, yams, maize or corn, millet, upland rice, beans and bananas. 6. Field rotation rather than crop rotation is practiced. 7. This form of migratory agriculture still supports many of the aboriginal tribes of the tropical rainforest, despite the efforts made by the local governments to resettle them.